Hey guys, welcome to a quick demo of installing RocketChat on CloudJiffy. To install RocketChat, just go to our marketplace and search for RocketChat and click on install. Give your environment any name and select any location you want. We have 3 locations: Germany, US and India, and click on install. Once the installation is done, go back to the home page. Click on open browser. This will take you to the setup wizard. Fill in your admin details. Fill in information about your organization. Give the site a name and select what type of server you want. Agree to the terms and policies. And your RocketChat is ready. To set up your domain name, go to settings. Select general options. Give your site a URL with subdomain as chat. So I'm gonna write chat.testsite.com. And save. To add users, just go to users option. Go to add and add as many users as you want. The platform also provides multiple channels and multiple discussion groups for better communication. Once you're done setting up your RocketChat, go back to CloudJiffy.
Go to change environment topology and add an IP to the topmost layer. Once the IP is deployed, go to your DNS panel and create an A record and point it to this IP, and you're all set to go.